Sunday the 12th of September 2021 saw the celebration of the return of a unique piece of Irish aviation history, the return of the Portlaoise plane to the town of its birth. Men and women involved in its discovery, recovery, repair and restoration to its rightful place in Portlaoise came together to hear speeches of thanks and a special performance of The Impossible Dream from Music Generation and Martin Churish. A dream of mechanical fancy ahead of its time, brought back with luck, teamwork and perseverance to be seen and hopefully enjoyed for decades to come. This plane was brought about by local mechanics the Aldritt brothers over a century ago, powered by their seemingly impossible dream to want to fly.